So today we're gonna make pasta alla Norma. That means eggplant pasta. It's very famous in Italy and it's really delicious. One of my favorite. So here are the ingredients for our pasta alla Norma. We have 2 eggplant, 4 tomatoes, 1 onion, 4 cloves of garlic, 1 dry chili, and some Swiss cheese, and some olive oil, some tomato puree, and some sunflower oil to fry the eggplant. So I'm gonna cut my eggplant into cubes. I'm gonna put a little bit of salt, oil. Let's move to fry the eggplant. Be careful when you are doing this. Roughly chop up the tomato, the onion. We're gonna cut it. Chop up our garlic. Alright. Make sure that you don't overcook. My Kashmiri chili. I'm gonna put 1 whole chili because it's not really spicy. Some olive oil. Make sure you are using a good quality olive oil. Give it a 2 seconds till it gets hot. I'm going with my onions. Take your time, don't hurry with onions, it's really important when you're cooking. You see it's going with low flame. Now I'm going to add my dry chilies into my onions. It really smells good. So I add the garlic too after about 2 to 3 minutes of sauteed onions. Make sure that you keep clean. I'm going to add my tomatoes. It's been like 2 to 3 minutes. We're going to add a little bit of tomato puree, 2 tablespoons, another half. Finally, eggplant is ready. Let me try one. Wow, wow, very nice. We're gonna boil the water and let it boil. In between, you can see my tomato is being cooking for about 10 minutes. It's nice, you see? Wow. So I'm gonna smash it with my spoon a little bit. So all the juices is gonna come out. Wow. The fire on for about another 5 minutes. Add the salt. Wow. Wow. Okay, so in Italian cuisine, especially a trick which I learned from my masters, that in tomato, when you make a tomato sauce, there is a little acidity on the tomatoes. So to take out that acidity, what we do is we add a little bit of sugar to balance the level of acidity. So I have my weird container of sugar and it's really worked out. You guys, I recommend it for you guys also. I would say about a half a teaspoon of sugar. Make sure you are not adding too much, otherwise it's going to be sweet. I don't want it to become sweet, I just want to take out that acidity taste of the tomato. Alright? And today we're going to use this penne rigate, penne. It's really nice. I like the penne because it sucks all the juice inside the pasta. I think my water is boiling. Okay. Never forget the salt in your pasta water. About 1 tablespoon of salt. Saltiness in the pasta water should be like the taste of ocean water. And normally in penne or whatever the pasta, they written how many minutes which you have to boil. So in here it's written 7 to 9 minutes. If you want al dente, I would say you will take out in 7 minutes and then you cook another 1 minute or 2 minutes in the sauce. Give a little stir so it won't stuck into the bottom. Let it cook. The next step, adding my eggplant, fried eggplant into my tomato sauce. Okay. Wow. Look at this. Wow. You can grate it or you can cut it into small pieces. So you can see. Always last piece for the cook. Always try to keep the stopwatch or the timer for pasta. Okay guys, so my pasta is being boiling for about 5 minutes, I would say. Okay, I'm gonna add quarter cup of pasta water. This is quick. Actually, it dents your sauce. You can taste your sauce. How do you see? Woo. Very nice. I like it. I'm gonna get ready with a little bit of more dry chili for garnish. Chili flakes, freshly cut. Voila. We have our cheese ready. We have our chili flakes ready. We are waiting for the pasta. I don't know whether you can see, but in middle you can see little white. That means it doesn't. It's like al dente. Finish our cooking. The last minute of the pasta with the sauce. And I'm keeping some container below the strainer. I want to keep some pasta water to make the sauce. Voila. Little bit of olive oil. We're gonna add our sauce. And I'm gonna keep a little bit on my pan. I'm gonna add a little bit of pasta water, about a quarter cup, I would say, and keep stirring it. This is the trick of, if I had a pan, I would be doing this, but wow, here we go, pasta water, and we are good to go. And I'm going to keep it al dente because I like it al dente. I don't like overcooked pasta. So, but if you guys like to have a little bit fully cooked or overcooked, I would say you can keep it like that. Alright. It's ready. We switch off the fire. We leave it cool down for 5 seconds. And we are going to add a little bit of olive oil. I would say 2 tablespoons. And half of the cheese. And it's going to melt with, wow. Check it. Check it. Look at the creaminess. It's ready. Voila. You get the plate. Wow. A bit of the sauce which I kept. A little bit of this lovely cheese. Pepper. Don't forget olive oil. Voila! It's ready. It's always. Oh la la, I'm excited. Sorry guys. Good. Wow. Bye bye.